Welcome to the Heart of Mathematics. So today I'll talk about solving rational equations. Specifically, I'm going to solve this rational equation. So first thing we have to do is to factorize the denominator. So to factorize the denominator, I'm going to get factors of minus 12 that if I add them I get 1, because it's actually x squared plus 1x minus 12. So if I take minus 6 and 2, minus 6 times 2 is minus 12, but minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So that's not equal to 1. And similarly, if I take 6 and minus 2, 6 minus 2 is times minus 2 is minus 12, but 6 minus 2 is 4. Now if I try minus 3 times 4 gives me minus 12, and minus 3 plus 4 gives me 1. So I know that x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to x minus 3 times x plus 4. Sorry for my bad handwriting. So now in the place of x squared plus x minus 12, I can substitute x minus 3, x plus 4. And then I get the following. So now, in a way, we have to get rid of the denominator so that we can solve this equation. So to do that, we have to multiply each term by the common factor at the bottom. So you get all the terms at the bottom, and then you take the common factor, which you can see in this case is x minus 3, x plus 4. So we multiply each term here by x minus 3 and x plus 4. What they can do is they can give you the equation like this, and then if you put in x minus 3 and x plus 4, you can see actually it looks like the common denominator is x minus 3, x plus 4, and minus x minus 4. But if you look closely, you can take a minus out, and then if you look here, if you take a minus out, you get x plus 4, and then you just take the minus in the front, and then it's just x plus 4, so then your common term is just x minus 3 and x plus 4, not x minus 3 times x plus 4 times minus x minus 4. So that's a way that they can make it look harder or make you do much more work, but if you just take the minus out, then it will make it a much simpler. So you must look out for that. So then you multiply each term by x minus 3 and x plus 4, and then you get the following. You get x plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 4 divided by x minus 3 x plus 4 is equal to x plus 1 times x minus 3 times x plus 4 divided by x minus 3 minus, because here we had a minus, here we had a minus, you can see, minus x plus 8 times x minus 3 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 4. So now you can see here the x minus 3 can cancel out and the x plus 4 can cancel out. Here the x minus 3 can cancel out, and here the x plus 4 can cancel out. So you can do this because there's one term. If there was a plus, we couldn't have done that. but because it's only one term, within a term we can cancel out the pieces. But if there was like x plus 1 plus x minus 3 plus x plus 4 all on different denominators, then we wouldn't be able to cancel it out. So now what we can do, we're left with x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 4 minus x plus 8 times x minus 3. Now if we multiply this out, you can see it's x squared, and then we have plus 1x plus 4x is equal to 5x, and then we have 1 times 4, which is 4, minus x times x is x squared, and then plus 8x minus 3x, so plus 8x minus 3x is 5x again, and then we have 8 times minus 3, which is minus 24. Then what we can do is we can take the minus side inside the brackets. Remember to use brackets when there's a negative sign, because otherwise it will be easy to make a mistake and not take the minus to all the terms. So what we're left with is x plus 2 equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4 minus x squared minus 5x plus 24. Then you can see the x squared minus x squared, they cancel out, plus 5x minus 5x, they cancel out, and what we're left with is x plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 24, so x plus 2 is equal to 28, and then we just subtract the 2 on the left hand side and subtract the 2 on the right hand side. So our final answer is x is equal to 26. Thank you guys for watching. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and please consider subscribing, and remember, you're a lot smarter than your calculator.